Subject is English of standard 6 and the name of the lesson is Adwise Customers. Students, this lesson is about the advertisements. We see advertisements daily on television, on internet, on radio, in newspapers and in magazines, isn't it? And media is the main way for the advertisements, isn't it? Adwise customers. Here, ad means advertisement. See the spelling ADVERTISEMENT. Here you can see the spelling is like advertisement. Advertisement, isn't it? But how we pronounce this? We pronounce advertisement. R is silent here. Okay. How we pronounce? Advertisement. Okay. And customers. The meaning of customers is a person who buys goods or services in a shop, restaurant, etc. Means we people who buy the goods, materials, etc. We purchase so we are called as customers. Okay. Here advise customers. We will know the meaning of this in this lesson. Okay. Advertising. Here there are different sources are there for advertise. For example, this is internet. This is called digital advertising. Here so many like this Facebook, then YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, correct? Then what we can say Google, all these advertise, correct? And after that television. Television is the main source for advertising because so many people they watch television, correct? Then next radio. Here also we can see we can hear the advertisers because the radio is audible, correct? So we can hear the advertisers. Next print. Print means pamphlets. Printed ads we can get in the markets because of the new shops, new saloons, new products, etc. Okay, and we can see the special blocks are allotted for the advertisements in the newspaper. They are specially reserved for the advertisement, isn't it? And billboards. Billboards means the large boards near the road. Okay, and magazines. Magazines also contain different types of advertisements. See, this is digital advertising. Whichever we see on the internet, for example, that is in YouTube, then on the Facebook, Google, right? Then Instagram, Twitter, etc. These are called as digital advertisings. Students, here what is an advertisement or what is the meaning of advertisement? The answer is a paid announcement as of goods for sale in newspapers or magazines, on radio or television or on the internet. Advertisements are the paid announcements. Got this? They give information about the goods and the sale, about the some sale is there or some discount. All that it gives us the information. That is nothing but advertisement. Okay. One more meaning is there. An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying and selling property, goods, etc. You know this. To sell, to buy, to offer the services, etc., we use advertisements. Correct? Some public notice also, the government also issues some public notice by using the advertisements. That we will study later. Okay? Got the meaning? What is the meaning of advertisement? Advertisement is a kind of a public notice. Okay? This is for the public. And this is about the goods or the product, new products, or about the discounts or about the sale, whatever it may be. It gives the knowledge or the information about the product. That is nothing but advertisement. Okay, it takes the help of TV, means television, internet, then newspapers, pamphlets, billboards, radio, etc. Who gives an advertisement? Come on, students. Guess who gives an advertisement? Here, advertisements are given by owners of different companies to tell people about their products. Got this, students? Who makes advertisements? The owners of the different companies, they make advertisement to tell the people about their products. Okay? Students, we came to know that who makes the advertisements, isn't it? The company owner makes the advertisement to sell his products. Correct? Okay, now one more question is there. For whom these advertisements are made? What do you think? For whom? For the public, isn't it? That is right. See the answer here. Advertisements are made for the sake of both customers and owners. Customers means here public, and owners means owners of that companies which produce the products. Okay, how it is? We'll see. Customers get the information about the products through ads, isn't it? And can choose the one he thinks the best. Here, customers get the information about the products in detail through the ads, and he has the choice to choose the best, whichever he thinks that is the best. I will give you one example here. Here, washing powder. So many companies, they produce washing powders and they all give advertisement about their product, right? The customer, he must has to think about the products, then he can choose the best one that he thinks the best. Okay? And what about the owners? Yes, owner gets the opportunity to sell their products. By the advertisements, owner gets the opportunity to sell their products on the large scale. Got this? How are the advertisements designed? Yes, students, see here, advertisements are designed in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. They feel like buying product. That is what owners want. Yes, designing advertisement is not easy. It must be creative. It must give information about the product in attractive way. That too in a specific time, approximately from 30 seconds to maximum 1 minute. The main intention is to provoke the public to buy the product. These all qualities must be there in the advertisement. Got this, students? See the ads here. Mega sale, amazing discounts, up to 70% off, massive clearance. See the words, they impress the people or the public. So people go behind these words and they buy the products. Correct? Here also you can see one advertisement on the health, isn't it? Now what the ad says. Now we will go through one ad now and we will confirm or we will conclude that what the ad says. Okay. Look at the first picture. Feeling happy, crispy, crunchy. Feeling sad, crispy, crunchy. Feeling tired, crispy, crunchy. See here students, in three pictures you can see the three type of children, means different forms of a children. In first picture the girl is very happy and that animated toy, it says that if you are happy, have this crispy, crunchy, okay, snack, that is a type of. And in the second picture the boy is sad, then also here please have this crispy, crunchy. And in the third the girl is tired, then also it is telling that have crispy, crunchy. In the next picture, see here, lost the match, he is disappointed, boy. Then also this animated picture says that have crispy, crunchy. Next here, won the cup, again here happiness, then eat crispy, crunchy. And day and night, crispy, crunchy. Yes, we go through like these advertisements daily on the TV, isn't it? Next one is now and then, day and night, now and then have crispy, crunchy. For you and me, crispy, crunchy. Every time, crispy, crunchy, only for ₹5. Get one pack free on 5. Means buy one, get one free. Yes, this is the advertisement of a snack that is fried. Can you see over there? That has a plus shape or a cross, you can say. It is a fried, potato fries, something whatever is there, that is a fried snack. Correct? It is a deep fried, and the cost of this crispy, crunchy fried packet is ₹5. And what is the offer? Buy one, get one free. That to attract the children. Correct? Okay. This is our advertisement. We saw this. Okay. We will discuss on this. See here. So many types of fried snacks. You can see potato chips. These all we see in our daily life. And we like to eat these products in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, at night. Correct? Is it safe to eat all these daily? We'll see. My teacher says, first we will go through this, then we will discuss. Okay? What his teacher says, we'll see. We see many types of chips, wafers and other snacks in the market. Yes, correct. We see so many types of products like chips, wafers, etc. in the market. Correct? We get them in attractive packets or pouches. Yes, sure. They are colorful and some pictures are there on that to attract the children. These snacks are usually fried foods that contain a lot of salt and spices. Yes, to make it tasty, the companies or the factories, they add some salts and spices to these snacks. Correct? They are good to taste but not so good for your health if you eat them all the time. If you eat them once in a week, then it's okay. But all the time eating these type of products is very harmful for our body. because they contain a lot of salt and spices. Growing children need a balanced and nourishing diet that includes different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, milk, etc. Isn't it? You know this all about means that is about the balanced diet and nourishing diet through EVS chapters. Isn't it? You are the growing children, correct? And you need a balanced and nourishing diet which must include different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, vitamins, minerals, milk, etc. Isn't it? Then only your body will become healthy and strong. Correct? This is what the teachers said to the children. Students, we have gone through that ad, isn't it? Crispy, crunchy ad. Now we will discuss some questions on this. First one, what does the ad tell you? You have to remember that crispy, crunchy ad. What does the ad tell you? Yes. Yes, the ad tells us that you can eat crispy, crunchy at all times. It costs only ₹5 and get one free on ₹5. Means buy one get one. Here what the crispy crunchy said, in the morning you can eat, in the evening you can eat, when you are happy you can eat, when you are sad, when you are tired, if you lost the match, if you won the cup, day and night, now and then, at any time you can eat crispy crunchy. It said, correct? Because they want to sell their products. So they are giving buy one get one free offer. Correct? Okay. We will move to the second question. How many times is the name crispy crunchy repeated in the ad? How many times? Yes, dear students, here it is repeated 9 times. Why? To make one remember it properly. Yes, so that the children they remember crispy crunchy name properly. They take ₹5 from their mother and they directly move to the shops and they ask the shopkeeper about the crispy crunchy because they remember the name properly through the advertisement. Got this? That is the main aim behind that advertisement. Next, what would happen if you never ate crispy crunchy? What will happen? Nothing. Correct? Next question. What would happen if you ate proper meals like rice and dal or dal roti? Yes, you know the answer. If you eat all these, you will become healthy and strong. Right? Okay, next one. What would happen if you never ate fruits and vegetables? Dear students, you are growing children and your body needs different types of vitamins and minerals, isn't it? And we get different types of vitamins, minerals through the fruits and leafy vegetables. So, if you never ate fruits and vegetables, you will become weak and unhealthy. Correct? So, these healthy food is necessary for your body. Got this, students? You eat that type of that snacks of fried material only once a week or once in a month. Okay? Students, we will go through one more ad. Okay, what the ad says. Didi, Didi, look at this. My new dress for the party. Where is yours? Didi said, no party for me. See Didi and see her sister. Sister is showing her dress and Didi is very sad and she is telling, no party for me. In the second picture, Bittiya Rani, daddy is telling tap tap tap. My new shoes for the party. Where are yours? Here also Didi is very sad. She is telling that no party for me. Here the conversation between the father and daughter. In the third scene, mother and daughter. Okay, Bittiya Rani, ting ting ting, choose new bangles for the party. Bittiya Rani said, no party for me. In the next scene, a friend. Okay, what's the matter? Why are you sad? Then Bittiya Rani, that Didi said, my skin is so dark. I feel so bad. No party for me. Why she is not going for the party? Because she is telling that she is black or her skin is black. Okay, and she feels very sad about that one. So she is not willing to go to the party. This is the reason. See the advertisement, how it is made. First sister, then dad, then mother. They ask her to come to the party, but she refuses because she has a dark skin. Okay, this is the theme of the advertisement. Next, then the friend tells that, is that all? This is the problem. Then don't worry. Solve your problem with Hema Gauri. She gives a tube. Fairness cream. Correct? Now here she says that only 5 days to fairness. Means you apply this daily and you will get your skin fair. Hema Gauri will make your skin shine. Here see the picture. Half it is black and half it is fair. How they attract the public. See here. Then be fair as a fairy with Hema Gauri. Here you can see the picture. She is beautiful and fair because of this application of Hema Gauri. So the girls, they impressed by this. Correct? They want to become fair, and by observing these, watching these advertisement, the girls become mad behind the fairness cream. Correct? This is what the owners want. This is the tube of Hema Gauri, and about this they give some offers. Here we can see rupees 10 off on every 100 gram tube or bottle. Hurry up, offer closes on 1st April. They give limited period so that all will hurry to buy the product. For the students, so nicely advertised this tube about the fairness. And all people, they became crazy and they hurry behind the product and they buy the product. Correct? Okay, this is all about the advertisement on fairness cream. Okay, we will discuss this. Before that, we will go to teachers. What she says, we will listen. My teacher says, who says black is not beautiful? The color of our skin has nothing to do with your beauty. Yes, this is a real thing. It's more important to be healthy, neat and tidy if you want people to like your looks. You should eat well, exercise well, sleep well and drink enough water to get a healthy, glowing skin. Yes, teacher is telling us that you must be neat, tidy and healthy so that people will like you. Correct? And you must eat healthy food and you must exercise well. You have to sleep well and drink enough water so that your skin becomes shining and healthy. Never feel bad about the color of your skin or your natural looks. Be careful when you try fairness creams. They may have side effects. Yes, correct. What, dear students, here what she tells, never feel bad about the color of your skin or your natural look. That is God gift to us, correct? Our color, our natural look, that is given by God. It is not in our hands, isn't it? So not to worry about that. And she tells that be careful when you try fairness creams. Yes, they may contain chemicals, bleaches, so that our skin get side effects. Got this, students? Now we have gone through a fairness cream advertisement, isn't it? Now we will discuss on this. Why does Didi say no party for me? You know this? Didi says no party for me because she feels sad that she has dark skin. She wants to become fair. Correct? So she is telling that I am not going to come and no party for me. Okay, we will move to second one. Can you become fair in 5 days? Maybe slightly by the help of that cream, right? How long will the effect of the cream last? Is it permanent? No. Maybe a few days. For some days you look fair. Again afterwards your original color will come. Right? Will you love your brother or sister only if she is fair? She or he is fair? No. I will love her because of her or his qualities. Isn't it? Next one is, think of the people you like. Do you like them because they have a fair skin or because of some other qualities? List those qualities. Here students, you love your mother, you love your father, you love your sister, brother, correct? Or uncle, aunt, your teacher, your friends, because some other qualities are there inside them. They are loving, they help you, they are cooperative, correct? So many qualities they may have. List those qualities. Okay, this is for you. Have you seen non-commercial advertisements, those that are not selling anything but are only giving people useful information? Yes, students, think about this. Non-commercial advertisements means not money making. Commercial means money making advertisements. Non-commercial means they don't make money. Here those that are not selling. Got this, students? Yes, you are right. The advertisements by the government, they are non-commercial. See here. Yes, I have seen such ads. The advertisement for polio drops, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, using toilets, eye donation, etc. Isn't it? Government also adds about the some information. It gives us the information about from the advertisement like polio drops, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, correct? These are called as non-commercial advertisements and mostly they are given by the government, which are very useful for the people or the public. Students, our lesson is over. Okay, I think you understood all the concept of this lesson, correct? About the advertisement, what is the meaning, for the sake of whom the advertisements are made, who gets benefited by this, who gets the knowledge by these advertisements, correct? Okay, now we will move for the grammar part of this lesson. Now this lesson has so many words, means here we can find out the antonyms of these words. Antonyms means opposite words that you know, correct? Okay, we will move. First one is different. The opposite or the antonym of different is same. Wise, the opposite is foolish. Wise means a knowledgeable person. Got this? Ad wise customer. We have to observe and we have to watch the ad, but we must have to act like a wise customer. Okay. Next one is attractive. The opposite is unattractive. Fresh, opposite is stale. Include, opposite word exclude. Many, few. Correct? Buy, I buy, I sell. Okay. New, old. Tidy, untidy. Problem, we find the solution to the problem, isn't it? Natural, artificial. Natural means it is natural. Artificial means man-made. Careful, careless. Got this to us? These are the antonyms from your lesson. Write a useful ad for the importance of games, drinking enough water, your own school. Okay, see here it is an activity for you. You have to write a useful ad. Here three sentences are given or the three subjects are given. First one, importance of games. Second, drinking enough water. Third, your own school. Okay, try any one of these. Students, here is in the textbook there are three subjects are given for your activity, that is to write advertisement. Correct? Now here I am going to give you some tips for writing an advertisement. This will help you while writing the advertisement for these subjects. Okay? First one, use short sentences. Remember this. You have to use short and sweet and meaningful sentences for the advertisement. No long sentences should be there. Okay, first one this. Second, use creative. Creativity should be there in your writing. Use different sentence structures. Hatke. Okay, like this. Means you have to use your creativity while writing the sentences. Third, keep your ad short. The ad should be short one for 30 seconds or for maximum for 1 minute. If you make a long ads, no one has time to watch it. Got this? Next one is close with the statement that calls your reader to action. Close with the statement. Yes, this is very important. There should be a statement at the end of this advertisement. I will tell you one example, that LIC, correct? Life Insurance Policy Corporation, that has a closing statement, that is जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. Got that? Each advertisement has a closing statement. One more, that is thumbs up, taste the thunder. Got this? Like that, closing statement, close with the statement. Okay, then last, reread and rewrite as necessary. Okay, these are the 5 steps that you have to follow while writing an advertisement. Got this, students? Students, I am going to tell you one very important thing here. One secret I want to share, that is, one must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy, how much to buy and what not to buy, because the advertisement, they tempt us to buy more and more. That is the quality of the advertisement. That is the main aim of the advertising company. Correct? But we must be a wise customer. and we should know what to buy and how much to buy. If offers are, then we buy so many things. No, we have to think how much to buy and what not to buy, which is very harmful for our body, harmful for our skin. Then that is we must not buy. Got this, students?